Hello there. Welcome to this course and thanks for joining me. This course is the fundamentals of building AI chatbot with Kesse. My name is Emmanuel Kesse, aka Bra Penying. I'm going to be your lecturer throughout this course. I designed this course primarily for three different groups of people. The first group is a group that has never built any chatbot in the past, and this is your first time trying to learn how to build chatbot, you are learning at the right time. In this course, you're going to learn how to build powerful AI chatbots. I believe this course is not only going to meet your need, but it will exceed your expectations. The second group is a group that used to build chatbots in the past. You've been building chatbots the old school way, and you've heard about AI chatbots, and you want to explore the world of AI chatbots. I believe this course is the right course for you, and I'm going to help you enter into the world of AI chatbots. AI has changed the way we build chatbots, and you're going to learn something simple but yet powerful. All right. And I believe this course is going to also exceed your expectations. All right. And then the third group is the group that wants to use the knowledge gained from this course to make monthly side income. Okay. There are lots of courses out there that just pile knowledge on the students, and yet the students are not able or do not know how to make money from the knowledge they've acquired. Okay, this course is going to be slightly different. I'm going to teach you step by step over the shoulders. You are going to look over my shoulders as I teach you how to make a very nice, decent side income with the knowledge that you've acquired. All right. The power of AI is going to make this strategy easier and almost put it on automation. And you're going to make a very decent side income from home. All right. And I believe you are going to get a lot out of this course. Okay. So if you're in this third group and you're learning this to supplement your income, uh, I believe this course will meet your need and will also exceed your expectations. Okay, I want to thank you again for joining me. And before I proceed, I wanted to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm not going to bore you with my life, but I just wanted to say that I've been building chatbots for quite a long time, probably around 10 years or a little bit more than that, and I have some deep experience with building chatbots. All right, I built chatbots the old school way, and I've also studied AI chatbots, and I know the difference. And that's why I'll be happy to help those of you that are migrating from the old school way of building chatbots to AI chatbots. I believe once you learn AI chatbots, you're going to love it and you're not going to let it go. All right. I've built chatbots and built some of the most sophisticated chatbots in the market. All right. I built auction chatbots. I built chatbots, classified ads chatbot. I've built chatbots for different niches. All right. So I have some pretty good experience in this area. All right. And I want to pass on the knowledge that I have gained, especially to the newbies that are looking to enter into the world of AI chatbots. All right. So I'll be happy to help you. And like I said before, it's not just enough to gather knowledge, right? You got to be able to, you know, make some money out of the knowledge that you acquire, right? So I find it very fulfilling. I believe I feel better when I know that the knowledge that someone acquired from my lessons is being used, right, to generate something of a financial benefit. See what I mean? That's why I'd be happy to help you, use this knowledge, all right, not only to just build projects, but that you can make some nice, decent income out of this. If I see this happening, then I know that, I have done a great job, all right? So I hope you're ready. Um, let's get to I hope you're ready for this ride, all right? So, why learn AI chatbots? AI has changed the way we build chatbots. For those of you that are coming, to start this lesson and have been building bots in the past, you will realize that AI chatbots is the way we build AI chatbots is different. Okay. And the cool thing is that it takes less time to build AI chatbot, but then it's AI chatbots are much more powerful. Okay, they are more powerful than the old school one because they have the ability to process a lot more data. Okay, so it makes AI bots quite unique, and you will find out as you go through this course. Okay, many companies are starting to switch over to AI chatbots. All right, why are they doing this? They can save money, right? Companies like saving money because it makes them, it makes their profit a lot bigger, right? If they can cut costs, they make more profit. So if we have bots that can handle customer service, right? You have AI bots that will be able to talk to about 20 different customers at the same time. All right. That is really powerful and can process a lot more data than the old school chatbots could do. All right. This saves companies a lot of money and they love that. Okay. So as companies are moving gradually to AI bots, it's important that you learn how to build AI bots. Okay. Because it will give you an advantage. All right. ChatGPT came out probably about 2 years ago, somewhere around, was it 2022, somewhere around there. And, ever since it came out, it made a really big splash. Okay. It really drew the attention of a lot of companies. Google saw that and it kind of motivated Google to also come out with their own version of ChatGPT. All right. And once Google gets involved in something, this thing is big. All right. So if you are learning AI chatbots right now, you've made the right decision. You are learning at the right time. Okay. Another thing why you should learn AI bot is that they are so powerful when it comes to, bilingual features in chatbot, right? I remember I used to build a bot I remember when I built a bot for a car dealership and, this car dealership, I was generating a lot of leads for the dealership, and quite a number of the leads that were coming through did not speak English. They only speak Spanish. Okay, I think a few of them spoke French, but there were quite a number of them that spoke Spanish. Then I have to copy what they said and then look for a translator and then copy the translation and bring it back in and wait for them to respond and on. It was a very tedious work. But now you got AI bots that can easily switch to the language of the user or the customer. Okay, so when they come in and they say, Hola, ¿cómo estás? It can switch easily from English or whatever language to the Spanish language and start communicating with the lead in Spanish. It saved so much time. Okay. This thing is I cannot say everything it does right here. Later on during the course, we'll bring some of them up and show some of them to you. But this AI bot is so powerful. And I believe you're going to learn something that will give you a huge advantage, in the market. All right. Your knowledge is going to be on demand. Okay, as AI continue to get more popular, your knowledge will be hot in the market. You'll be able to charge what, $2,000 to $3,000 to build AI chatbot, and you will probably not even break a sweat. Okay, if you learn how to build it the right way. Okay, so take a look at this right here. Okay, this is the old school way of building chatbots. Okay, you notice all these nodes in here. Some of them are probably like conditions, some of them are actions, and you see all these cable wires connecting this, you know, kind of like a really crazy network of things going on, spider web, you know, a whole lot of things going on here, right? This is the old school way of building chatbot, all right? But compare this to this right here. Check this out, all right? Here, we are using very few or lightweight flows right here, okay? And then on the left hand side here, you notice there is a text in here, and the text is giving some set of instructions and some information. This is what's called a prompt, okay? It's just a simple, plain human language instructions you give to the bot. All right. And this is how you will instruct your bot to engage with the users. Okay. You are not using no JavaScript. You're not using no Python, nothing like that. It's almost as if you're sending an email, right? Over here, you just give the bot your company information, your name, phone number, address, give the bot your business hours, and a set of instructions about booking appointment, and the AI bot understands what to do. Okay, whenever a user wants business hours for Tuesday, you don't have to build a flow for that. You don't have to over explain yourself in the prompt. Just give the AI bot your business hours, and the AI bot knows what hour you work on Tuesdays, and it will give that information to the user if the user asks for it, right? Very simple. Okay, this is what's called a prompt. Later on, you're going to learn how to create prompts. All right, on the right hand side, you could see that you are using very few, you're using lightweight flow, nothing complicated here. Look at this, very simple. There are other things we will learn about how to create, we will learn about how to create functions. These are like little tools that you could use to assist your AI prompt to do really, really cool things. All right. You could see that there is a really big difference, right? This AI bots are cleaner and easier to set up, but you have to be guided on how to do it. If you don't follow the instructions and you don't use a guide, you may not get it right. Okay, but this is exciting. Just check out the difference. Really, really exciting. I'm excited to show you how to build AI chatbots. Okay, so before I tell you about what you're gonna get out of this course, I just wanted to do a quick overview, and then I just want to do a little bit of prep before we look at the overview. Okay, so before I tell you about the overview of the course and what you are actually gonna get out of the course, I just want us to do a little bit of a prep thing here where we warm ourselves up, and then I'll show you what you're going to get from this course. All right. So the first thing is that you got to unlearn your old habits about building chatbots. Okay. Those of you that used to build chatbot the old school way, it's likely you're going to be carrying some of the behavior from the old school way of building chatbots, and you want to use it in in learning how to build AI chatbot. I highly recommend that you put aside what you've learned in the past and just start afresh and learn how to build AI chatbot, because it's different. AI has changed chatbots. The old school one is pretty much outdated. All right. So just throw away what you've learned in the past about the old way of building bots, and then we will learn AI chatbots. Okay, so this course is going to be updated as we go. If I see anything I believe is beneficial to my students, I'm going to bring it in here. I will update the course and I will notify every one of you. So you are going to be refreshed and uh, so you're going to be refreshed and you're going to be on top of things. All right. So you're going to be refreshed and you're going to be on top of things. If there is any major update where maybe we have to revamp the course entirely or something, probably not likely, but if we have to, then I will announce and let you all know. But most likely, we're just going to be updating it to keep the course fresh and up to date. It's very important to follow instructions, guys. Don't skip things, okay? Follow instructions and you will get great results. Also, try to manage your time, set aside some time during the day that you know you will have available. That way, you can learn a lot faster, okay? If you're on and off and unstable with your time management, it might take you a little bit longer to learn. So dedicate some time to this course and then it will allow you to learn this course a lot faster. Okay. You're going to be using the knowledge you get to not only build projects, but you will make some nice money out of this, out of this course. All right. So prepare yourself for that if you're interested. All right. I'm going to be here to assist you. I'll help you answer questions, help you answer your questions. If you have any questions, you can email me. You can write it in the comment section or wherever it's provided, and then I will be happy to assist you. Okay, so in this course, you're going to be learning the basics of building AI chatbots. Even though it says basics or fundamentals, you will not only learn that, but you will also be learning intermediate level AI chatbots. Okay. So you're going to be doing some pretty cool stuff that looks like intermediate to advanced, but it says basic. It's important that you understand the fundamentals section of it. And I believe once you know that, you can use that to power your skills to build some really cool projects. Okay. So this is sort of like an extra bonus, right? It does talk about fundamentals and basics, but you are going to be building some nice intermediate level, close to pretty advanced kind of stuff. All right. Which is really cool. All right. I'm going to show you the best platform to use for building AI bots. I've tried it and it looks amazing. And I will show you what platform to use. And then you're going to learn about building AI powered flows. All right. This time around, you are not going to be bogged down with all this excessive number, scary looking spiderweb flows that look so complicated. But we're going to use AI to make flows easy to build. In some instance, guys, you may not even need a flow. All right. You could just build something that uses just one flow and it will work amazingly well. Okay. All right. You're going to learn about prompt engineering. Okay. I'm going to simplify prompt engineering. Don't let that word scare you. It's just how to write simple, plain language instructions to your chatbot so your chatbot knows how to interact with users. It's almost as if you send your chatbot an email, right? You just tell him a set of instructions. You don't have to be excessively don't have to write excessive amount of instructions. Just give it simple plain instructions, right? And it will know what to do. This is what part of prompt engineering. We're going to learn about functions, how we can improve user experience, how we can capture data that users provide us when they're chatting with the chatbot and store that data, like name, right? So we will learn how to use these functions to capture data that users provide us and store the data in custom field section inside of our platform that we're going to be using. All right. So functions provide a really cool user experience for the user and also for the agency using the chatbot, building the chatbot. All right. And then with there are other CBB tools that we will look at that can enhance our chatbot, make it more powerful. We're also going to be building projects, all right? And we're going to have a fun time building projects, like building chatbots for different niches, e-commerce, restaurants, and other niches, all right? And again, like I said, we will also learn how to make some nice money. I'm going to teach you guys. We're going to walk through this together and you will learn how to make some nice, decent monthly income on the side without having to go apply for a job somewhere or go around chasing industry. You can make some nice money right in the comfort of your home. And I'm going to teach you how to use the power of AI chatbot to even make it easier and automate this process. All right. So, guys, I went a little bit ahead. Okay. So, guys, I'm all ready and pumped up. Check this flow right here, or check this image right here. You see where the green side is right here? You see that green section over here? All right. And you see all the revenue that I've been making. This is a car dealership. This is a car dealership that I work with. Okay. And I started working with them July 2023. And I've been making some nice side income from this dealership. All right. I've been making some nice income working from home from this dealership. All right. And when I add the power of AI chatbot, it made my work easier. Guys, I go to bed, wake up, and this AI bot has already set up appointments for me. This is awesome. This AI bot is answering questions. All right. It's answering sometimes complex questions, and it's, giving information about our business hours and our, those who need location. The AI chatbot is taking care of them. Those who speak Spanish, the AI chatbot is taking care of. So I wake up in the morning and AI has already done almost 90% to 95% of my job. All right. So once I add this to this monthly income thing, it made my work so easy, guys. I'm going to teach you again how to make some nice income from home. Look at all the green section right here. Look at all the amount I've made here. This is a car dealership that pays me for generating leads for them. All right. And I'll teach you how to do the exact same thing. All right, guys. Thank you for joining me. I believe we're gonna have fun in this course. I'm ready and pumped up, and I believe you are. Let's go start this course. Let's make something happen. And I'm glad you joined me.